Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeffrey from Sephora Pro.
Hi, and I'm Becca. So, Jeffrey, I have a question for you.
Okay.
How can I get a sun-kissed glow? I got this great product in my Sephora Play Box. It's the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Matte Bronzer. But what can I do to kind of up my bronzer game to look sun-kissed?
Well, definitely I think that this particular product is really great for that just back from the beach bronze look. Not so sparkly, just a little like soft matte radiance, right?
Got it. So like sun-kissed versus contour.
Exactly.
Okay.
So to apply, one of the first tips that I can recommend is using a fluffier brush. That's going to help you to gradually build color versus getting too much all at one time. I'm using the number 59 Precision Powder Brush. Now, I'm going to start at the temple. Now, this is an area that's often forgotten. That's tip number 2, okay? You always want to kind of bronze the temple because that's going to wrap the color around and make it look really natural. Especially, too, because your face is a little bit heart-shaped. That's going to softly contour that a little bit, too, which is nice. Then tip number 3 is for that natural back from the beach bronze, you want to apply the bronzer on top of the bone structure. So it's really important to work down.
Okay.
And kind of build the color on top of the cheekbone. Now, I know you wear a lot of highlights, so that might be...
Yes, I usually don't put anything matte on the top of my cheeks, so this is definitely new for me.
It's just important to remember that this is good to kind of fake out a tan, you know what I mean?
And could this take the place of my blush?
Actually, I think it's a really great way to do that, especially if you're going to bring it down onto the cheek a little bit. That just kind of gives you a little bit of color. It gives you that healthy vitamin D kind of glow. You know what I mean? Okay, this looks really nice. You ready to check it out?
Yes.
All right, here you are.
Awesome. Oh, yes, this is definitely like sun-kissed.
For sure.
I feel like you helped like capture my glow from the summer.
For sure. It's definitely a little bit different of a placement.
Yeah.
But it's a great way to keep your summer tan all year long.
And I feel like it's so easy I could replicate this at home.
Now you ready to go to Hawaii?
Please.
Yeah, let's go! Bye guys, we'll see you later.
Aloha.
Aloha.